I'm Clint Derrick. I'm president of SpoolTech. We started off just a wood spool company. We then began to build metal spools, and then about 10, 12 years ago we started doing a lot of structural work, and then the last probably 5 years we started doing a lot of piping, vessels, and a lot of pressure containing. Anytime that I have a chance to do something new or fun or whatever, the first thing I do is go to the guys in the shop and ask them, hey, what do you think? And we've empowered them to make decisions, to bring new ideas to the table, to bring industry standard ideas to the table, and we've really fanned the flame there, and that's given us a lot of extra procedures and doing things that not every fab shop in town are doing.
My name is Gustavo Martinez, and I'm a structural supervisor at SpoolTech.
John Brinkman, operations manager at SpoolTech.
The challenges was having to change tips out, the weight of the gun. Most guns are heavy compared to the Binzel gun, so that's something that they notice quick right off the bat. Since I'm the supervisor, it's helped me out because the guys are working more now instead of having to go get consumables, having to switch out tips. So on my side, it's better because it keeps production going.
You know, by more arc on time, you're going to be more efficient. You're going to be more productive. Not change consumables out. It's going to keep the guys in their workstations longer. We went from 2 contact tips a day down to about 1 contact tip a week. My guys seem to like them a lot. The standard guns that are in the industry, everything's been the same for years and years and years. It's to get something that's lightweight, flexible, it feels a lot better in your hand than a traditional gun does.
Sometimes a guy has to hold the gun a certain way to get to certain spots or certain areas. With the Binzel gun, it's different because you can just turn the neck to how you need it to be.
We use them in the structural department for some of the high-end skids. We use them in the piping department, for pressure vessels, X-ray piping, to kind of go further into detail what Gus was talking about, the ability to flex the necks around. It helps us out because sometimes we basically turn them into automatic welders, and being able to have that trigger on the backside, we can turn our trigger lock on and just bump the trigger to start it. You're not trying to fumble around with the trigger underneath. Binzel's been easy to deal with. Their sales has called multiple times to make sure that everything has been good for us. We haven't ran into any sort of supply issues or anything like that, which is something that I was kind of nervous about up front. Overall, Binzel has performed, above and beyond what we were expecting, I think.